Welcome aboard. A new archetype has been announced, Clown Crew, also known as Clown Clan. This is a control deck based on tribute summons, and it has a very unique playstyle. More on that ahead. But before we start, I want to thank you all for the support on this type of video. You have no idea how happy it makes me to see the positive response this new section of the channel is receiving. I promise to upload more videos like this and continue improving their quality. Clown Clan revolves around tribute summon, as I mentioned. But what you aim to tribute are the archetype's own extra deck monsters, because they gain benefits when they are tribute. Our main boss is Clown Clan Whiteface, who has two main effects. Whiteface can be tribute summoned by tributing one ritual, fusion, synchro, XYZ, pendulum, or link monster instead of using two monsters since it is level 7. This is helpful when resources are limited. However, most of the time you will want to tribute two monsters to maximize its effects. Its first effect lets you draw one card for each monster tribute for its summon. So if you use two monsters, you will draw two cards. If you prefer not to draw, or are going second, you can negate face-up card your opponent controls equal to the number of monsters tribute to summon it. So, two negations on summon. Whiteface's second effect lets you tribute summon a monster during the opponent's turn. With this card on the field, you can summon another copy of itself. The extra deck monsters are valuable because they apply different effects when tribute. It seems odd for a tribute control deck to have so many extra deck monsters, but that's where Clown Crew Malabarism enters. This spell lets you summon two Clown Clan monsters from the deck or extra deck, ignoring their summoning conditions, instantly setting up the board for your MVP. It is a quick play spell, so it can also be used during the opponent's turn. Clown Crew Malabarism's second effect lets you return a card on the field to the hand by banishing itself and tributing a monster in your hand or field. This card prepares your setup, but it is not really a starter because it does not give direct access to Whiteface on its own. That role belongs to the two main starters, Clown Clan Flare and Clown Clan Rehearsal. Flare, the ritual, lets you add any Clown Clan card from the deck, then discard one card, similar to Illusion of Chaos. When it is tribute, it can flip a face-up effect monster face down. Rehearsal adds any Clown Clan spell or trap, and also add Clown Clan Whiteface by tributing a card from your hand, which usually is Flare. With these two cards, you get everything you need to start your plays. We also have Clown Clan Matinee, which, just like Malabarism, cheats extra deck conditions. During the main phase, it lets you summon a Clown Clan monster from the extra deck, ignoring summoning requirements. With this spell plus Malabarism, you gain access to all three revealed extra deck monsters. The first effect is good, but the second is even better. During the end phase, you draw one card for each type of monster tribute that turn: Ritual, Fusion, Synchro, and XYZ. Considering Rehearsal tributes Flare and Whiteface tributes two monsters, you should be drawing at least 3 cards, plus the 2 from Whiteface. And since Matinee also lets you set a spell or trap you draw, you can immediately make use of quick play cards like Super Polymerization or Malabarism if drawn. To further establish your field, we have Clown Clan Soiree, which, like Malabarism, summons 2 Clown Clan monsters from the extra deck, adds 1 Clown Clan from deck to hand, and can be banished to tribute summon a Clown Clan. You can apply the last effect the same, turn it as sent to the graveyard, allowing you to tribute summon Whiteface immediately. Clown Clan New Face recycles your resources, which run out quickly since you summon up to 5 extra deck monsters across both turns. During the standby phase, it shuffles 3 Clown Clan cards from your banish pile or graveyard back into the deck and draws 1 card. If you tribute a monster, it destroys spells and traps equal to the number of monsters tribute. And if it is sent to the graveyard from anywhere except the field, it places itself face-up back onto the field. I mentioned that each extra deck Clown Clan has unique effects. When tribute, they can return all monsters of their same card type: Fusion, Synchro, XYZ, from the field or graveyard to the hand. They also set or recover Clown Clan cards when tribute. These act as disruptions depending on the matchup. Each also has a different continuous effect, which I'll explain in the combo section. Alright, let's get into the lab. For this combo, you need Clown Clan Flare and 1 card to discard. Reveal Flare to add Clown Clan Rehearsal and discard the additional card. Activate Rehearsal and tribute Flare to add Whiteface and Clown Clan Malabarism. Activate Malabarism to summon Clown Clan Devils and Clown Clan Diablo. Malabarism is amazing, but remember it prevents the activation of effects of special summon monsters from the deck or extra deck until the end of the next turn. Because of that, this deck rarely uses its extra deck monsters to make further plays. This seems to be Konami's method to keep the strategy pure. This restriction does not affect their continuous effects. Attack boosts, protection from meteor, and double piercing damage all still apply. Tribute, summon Whiteface. Chain Whiteface, Devils, and Diablo because they were tribute. Diablo sets a Clown Clan trap from the deck. Devils sets a Clown Clan spell from the deck. You set Clown Clan Soiree and Matinee respectively. Resolve Whiteface and draw 2 cards. Activate Matinee to summon Clown Clan Meteor from the extra deck. Meteor prevents the opponent from activating cards or effects when you tribute summon. Go to end phase and draw 3 cards for Matinee because Flare, Devils, and Diablo were tribute. Any relevant cards you draw can be set. During the opponent's turn, things get fun. Clown Clan Diablo is now a new target for super polymerization, requiring 2 monsters with the same attribute but different types. This gives Super Poly extra utility beyond breaking boards. Activate your trap to summon 2 Clown Clan monsters or add Whiteface, depending on the situation. Our XYZ gives 1000 attack to tribute monsters, and our fusion grants double piercing damage. Combined with Whiteface's potential attack modifiers, this can close games easily. Banish Soiree to tribute summon Whiteface again. Negating up to 2 cards, plus whatever disruption occurs from tributing our Fusion and Synchro Clown Clan monsters. If you have not used Meteor's bounce effect, you can now place New Face to prepare for your next turn. On that same turn, to close, tribute summon Vanity Fiend to prevent special summons. Because Matinee triggers on both end phases, draw 2 more cards for tributing Fusion and Synchro this turn. In your next draw phase, activate New Face, so during standby phase you recover 3 Clown Clan cards and draw 1. Recycle your Banish Trap and 2 more Clown Face cards. Since the deck frequently special summons fusions, Vanity Fiend can hurt you. So you can use Rehearsal to tribute it and add 2 Clown Clan cards, or my preferred option, tribute Flare in hand to flip Vanity face down. Because it was summoned on the previous turn, you can flip it back once you finish special summoning. If you want to avoid that issue, you can run Vanity Ruler instead, since it only stops your opponent's special summons. From here, closing the game should be simple. This video is purely theoretical, so there is no deck list yet. A replay video with a deck list and testing against other decks will be coming soon. See you next time.